Lovely. What a lovely day it is.
Wow, what a lovely day.
What's all the ruckus out here?
All the ruckus? What?
Oh, the ruckus, huh? Your dog barks all day and it never stops, old man.
Kids these days.
Oh, hey, old man.
What is up with your face?
Well, wow.
What's wrong, Thanos?
People don't like my face.
Nothing's wrong with that. You look handsome, like a big, strong, derpy guy.
Derpy? Derpy? I'm done. Oh, well that ended badly. And that's it, my tuna squad. Thank you guys for watching this short cinematic, and hopefully you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time. Well, wow.
There's like creepy stalkers who watch. It is. I hate Thanos.
Mwahaha! I will take over the world. All the ruckus? What? Oh, I messed up.
Ran and Oh,